Hey, this is Ricky Steele with Northgate Construction again. One of the most common questions and one of the most common misconceptions in this industry is, what's the difference between a warranty and a guarantee? What does that even mean? Is there a difference? Maybe you've never even heard this. Listen, warranties protect the people that make it and sell it. Guarantees protect the people that purchase it. Let me explain. Most shingle manufacturers offer a lifetime warranty. What the heck does that mean? Does that mean it's gonna last a lifetime? What's a lifetime? How long does that even last? Well, the fine print nobody ever bothers to read. From the people that make it, most of these lifetime warranties are covered for only 10 years. That's a 10-year guarantee. So wait a minute, I got a lifetime warranty with a 10-year guarantee? How long is my roof gonna last? What does that even mean? Well, don't get tricked by this. Well, roofers, you guys know these things. You know it's not gonna last a lifetime. Don't tell your customer it's gonna last a lifetime. The people that make it only stand behind it for 10. How could the people that sell it stand behind it for longer? They couldn't, they wouldn't. If you've been told this, if you've been told by somebody that you could get a lifetime roof, it's nonsense. That's not true. It's labeled a lifetime. Will it last a lifetime? Absolutely not. I'll give you an example, right? Part of our training course is you have to verbatim memorize a section of one of the most common shingles that we come up against. Now, the reason it's so common, they say it's the #1 selling shingle. You can buy it at Home Depot, you can buy it at Lowe's, hell, probably Amazon, okay? Even if your shingles or accessories were not properly installed according to blank, I won't name the name, blank, right? Warranty's still valid. Manufacturing defects are the only thing that is covered. What's a manufacturing defect? Okay. You have to prove to the people that make the product that they made the product incorrectly. Good luck. You're not gonna win this. We're not gonna win this. You're definitely not gonna win this. There's been many times where we would go out to a roof, we'd put a roof on and say the roof failed. Labor lasted forever. What failed? The actual material failed. Contact the shingle manufacturer. Hey, your roof fell apart, premature. What happened? Not my fault. You guys live in Michigan. You guys get expansion and contraction there, don't you? Ugh. How's your sidewalks, driveways, and roads look? You can imagine what your roof's gonna look like. Your roof's only that thick. It's made with 70% filler now. They took all the asphalt out. 70% filler, it's that thick, it's that thin. That's it. Cracks, breaks, curls, leaks, shades, and fades, just like it's designed to do from the day it leaves the manufacturing facility. Okay, so again, don't be sold. It's important you do your homework. Know who's doing the roof, know what product they're actually using. If they can buy it at Home Depot, listen, it's probably not great quality. What is a warranty? Well, by definition, a warranty is a written contract from a manufacturer or contractor, right? What does this cover? Typically, manufacturing defects, material defects, workmanship issues maybe, and typically a time frame, a 10, a 20, a 30, or a lifetime. What's that mean? So not only are warranties typically nonsense, right? It's prorated, it makes 0 sense. It includes exclusions in there, such as like, where did you drop the shingles when you did the roof? If you dropped them off in the driveway, that voids your warranty. You have to put them on top of the roof. Why? That's considered improperly handling shingles, stuff nobody talks about, right? What if the shingles sat outside in the building supplies yard for the last 5 years? You get a brand new roof, it's 5 years old, right? Now what? Now you read that piece of paper, that warranty that excludes everything, right? Because it's going to void your warranty for improperly handling, storing, ventilation, and of course, the installer, right? Here's what typically happens. You got the manufacturer over here, and you got the roofer over here. You're stuck in the middle with a leaky roof, right? Because the manufacturer is always going to blame who? The guy that installed it. And the guy that installed it says, hey, look, my product, I didn't make the product. My install, the labor is great. Otherwise, it would have leaked immediately, right? Not 10 years down the road. What happened? Well, the material fell apart. Why did it fall apart? You live in Michigan. How would that make you feel? Happens all the time. Literally every single day, roofs fail prematurely. There's millions of lawsuits on shingle manufacturers for this exact reason. It's super important you understand the difference between a warranty and a guarantee. Again, if you can purchase the product from Home Depot, Lowe's, anything like that, you have a warranty. Your guarantee is like this. I guarantee it's gonna fail. In 2011, they literally took all shingles from Home Depot, Lowe's, all of them, took them all, sent them all back. They all come back with new packages. All of them say lifetime on them now. What the heck? What does that even mean? Lifetime's a marketing tool. It's nonsense. Matter of fact, listen, we're located in Michigan. We just recently heard a local roofer saying they offer a double lifetime. A double lifetime? What is that? What does a lifetime even mean? Well, from the fine print nobody ever bothers to read, most warranties have a 10-year proration. All right, so at 10 years, that's it. 10 years, the roof is guaranteed to last. Year 11, I'm really sorry. You live in Michigan, you get that expansion and contraction. They crack, break, curl, leak, shade, and fade. So listen, if anybody talks to you about a lifetime or a double lifetime, they're trying to sell you, not help you. Now let me explain what a guarantee is. A guarantee is how long it's guaranteed to last. What does that mean? Check it out. Depending on which roofing system you purchase, let's pretend you went with the 20-year system. That means at year 19, if the roof cracks, breaks, curls, leaks, shades, or fades, we're replacing it, parts, labor, and material at no cost. It's under warranty. It's under guarantee. See the difference? A guarantee protects me, the consumer, not the people that make it, not the people that sell it. Those are warranties. A guarantee is how long it's actually going to last from the people that actually installed it. So when we come out, we install a roof, and we tell you it's guaranteed to last for 20 years, at year 19, if you had an issue, we're replacing the roof, parts, labor, material at no cost. If you bought the 50-year package, at year 49, listen, I won't care what the roof looks like in 49 years, you might not either. But 49 years later, we're replacing the roof. That's the difference between a guarantee and a warranty. Warranties are fake. It's a marketing tool. It's what us millennials are using to trick people. It's nonsense. Do not fall for it. You can go to the gas station. Next time you're out, go to the gas station, go to the clerk, buy you one of those little phone chargers. The neon green ones, you know what I'm talking about, that don't last a mile down the road? Those have lifetime warranties on them too, just like their shingles. Make it make sense. Northgate Construction is one of the very few companies that offer an actual guarantee. Now, the importance of the guarantee, that's our name, right? If you have a problem with that roof, our guarantee is we're guaranteed to come out and help you, period. That's our roof. Think about it as like you're leasing a roof from us. That's my roof. I own it. Just happens to be on your home. It's my job to maintain it. It's my job to care for it. It's my job to keep the water, the rain, the moisture, the snow, the whatever out of your house. Keep your family safe. This is what the idea is, right? Could you imagine purchasing a roof and then it leaking? Happens all the time. It's a promise for customer satisfaction that we offer. Why does this even matter? The investment of a roof is extremely expensive. The investment of the wrong roof is even more expensive. At Northgate Construction, we want to guarantee your 100% satisfaction. We carry everything. There's nothing we don't have. There's nothing we can't get. We want to fit your want, your need, and of course your budget. Sure, we carry all the warranties like everybody else, but we go a step even further. We're going to get you an actual guarantee. That's what most people are after. If you're looking to stay in a property and you're looking for something that's actually built to last and not be sold something, look for the guarantee. Guarantee is how long it's guaranteed to last. When you're selecting a roofer, before you select a roofer, listen, everybody's a roofer every time it storms. All right? Tons of it. We see it all the time. If we had a big hailstorm right now, every truck that drove by your house would magically have a ladder on it, and now everybody's magically a roofer. That doesn't mean everybody's a roofer. Whenever you're hiring a contractor, whether it's a roof, whatever kind of home improvement project, it should be important to you that they have an actual physical brick and mortar location. Now again, I'm not talking about mom and pop that's working out of their house, and I'm not trying to kick them. I'm talking about those guys that work out of their house because they don't want to pay for insurance, or they don't want to carry the correct coverage that costs tons of money, or they're not even established enough to even have an office. That's why it's so important. Check out your roofer. Go to their actual location. Check them out. Walk in the door. What does it look like? Is it their front door or is it an actual office? Why is that important? Well, you want somebody that you can actually call if in the event something goes wrong. Because listen, ideally, you put this roof on, you shouldn't have any problems with it. You're going to have problems with it. It's maintenance. Nothing lasts forever. How important is it to you that when you pick up the phone and you call that roofer that sold you that roof, they're still in business and they're willing to come right back? People that work out of their house don't come back. We call that the taillight warranty. If you can see the taillights, you got the warranty. If not, you got problems. Once again, this is Ricky Steele with Northgate Construction. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're located in Michigan and you'd like some help, give us a shout.